So in this video, now we're going to learn how to count that number of words in a given file. Last time we learned how to count in a given sentence. Now we're going to learn how to count that from a text file. Okay. So now I will move to Visual Studio. And now what we're going to do, we're going to just define one function, def count. Okay. So you and the count of words. Okay. And then file path. Okay, file path. And after this, what now we need to do, once we have that path, now we need to open that file. Okay, so if you're not aware of these things, you can go ahead my Python tutorial and there you can learn that all those things I have explained more details. So now what we're going to do, now we opening that file path. So I pass that file path and then I need to pass as a mode I wanted to in a read only. Okay, h f. Okay, so what now I'm doing, I try to open that file in read only mode so that we can read that string. So to read that string, I put that string equals to f dot read. Okay, so I will read all those string whatever present in this. Sorry, what is it? Yeah. So now I read that a string how we did that last time. So now we have all those string in our str variable. Now what I need to do, I need to do str underscore l as a length, and then I will what I will do str dot split. Okay, and on what we need to split, we need to split on a space. So I put that a space so that it will split, and then what we need to do, just like last time, we need to return this length of strl. Okay, so now we will have all those value. Now we need to call this one print. Okay, print what I need to do, count of word, uh, count of words. Okay, and now here I need to pass that length, whatever that path we have. So I have created one this word text with Raptor Analytics. Now I have that path with me. So what I can do, I will paste it here. Okay, so now if I go ahead and run it, what it will go and display, so it displays 2 because we have only 2 in that string. Okay, now if I will put for Python development, if I save this one, so now we have 3 more words. So if I go ahead and hit it, now we got it 5. Okay, so in this way you can go ahead and play around with this and you can get that how to count that number of words present in a text file. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, please let me know.